all the babies washed up, we're gonna ring them out, and then they're gonna go to these dehydrated trays. They stained up, but they not dirty. I wash them each time. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and set them babies up. And I really be overlapping these because, damn, I just watched them. Because they still be drying perfectly fine. They got like not a big dehydrator, but like a jerky kind of dehydrator, like for beer jerky and shit. So it's relatively strong. It got some strength on it.